Ever wondered how to dive into the fascinating world of software testing and test automation without spending a dime? Today, we'll be exploring 7 incredible resources that will help you do just that. From the least known to the most popular, here's a list of the top free resources to get you started. On the 7th spot, we have the Ministry of Testing. This lesser-known gem boasts a wealth of articles, podcasts, and videos on software testing. The best part? They host regular free webinars and meetups with industry professionals. It's a great place to get your feet wet and immerse yourself in the software testing community. Coming in at number 6 is Test Automation University. Despite its name, it's not an actual university, but it might as well be one. It offers a wide range of courses on all things test automation. The content is comprehensive, easy to understand, and most importantly, it's free. Halfway through the list, at number 5, we have Udemy. Known by many, Udemy offers a variety of free courses covering all aspects of software testing and automation. The content is user-friendly and the platform provides an interactive learning experience. The 4th spot goes to edX. Partnered with top universities and institutions, edX offers high-quality courses in software testing. It's a great resource if you're looking for in-depth knowledge and want to learn from the best in the field. 3rd on the list is Coursera. Similar to edX, Coursera collaborates with top universities to offer free courses. However, it stands out due to its wider range of topics and more interactive learning methods. On the penultimate spot, we have YouTube. Yes, the very platform we are on right now. YouTube is a treasure trove of free tutorials and lectures on software testing and automation. It's easily accessible and you can find content that caters to all levels of expertise. Finally, sitting at the top of our list is GitHub. You might think of GitHub as a platform for developers, but it's much more than that. GitHub is a goldmine of free resources, from books to tutorials to projects. It's the perfect place to practice what you've learned and gain hands-on experience. So there you have it, 7 free resources to kickstart your journey into software testing and automation. Remember, the best resource is the one that works for you. So explore them, experiment with them, and most importantly, enjoy the learning process. Until next time, happy testing.